Okay, quick question. Do you think every healthy food combo is automatically good for you? Not always. Some pairings can leave you bloated, uncomfortable, or quietly messing with how your body absorbs certain nutrients. Let's talk about 5 combos worth paying a little more attention to. Love a cup of tea with your meal? Here's the catch. Tea and coffee have compounds called polyphenol, and they can block your body from absorbing plant-based iron properly. So if you're eating an iron-rich meal, that cup of tea right alongside it might be working against you. Easy fix. Just space it out. Have your tea or coffee an hour or 2 before or after, not during. If you're on an iron supplement, watch this one. Calcium can get in the way of how well your body absorbs that iron. So, follow whatever timing your doctor or pharmacist gave you, and unless they say otherwise, try not to take your iron supplement with milk, cheese, or a calcium supplement. Beans are genuinely great for you, but they're also full of fermentable carbs that can cause gas. Pair them with a bunch of other high FODMAP foods in the same meal, and for some people, that's a recipe for a rough afternoon. If your gut's sensitive, just keep an eye on portions and notice which combos actually bother you. It's different for everyone. Here's one a lot of us have felt but never connected. A super fatty meal, in a huge portion, slows down how fast your stomach empties. That's the heavy, sluggish, borderline nauseous feeling after a big indulgent meal. Balance it out with some veggies and protein alongside the fat, and keep the fat itself moderate. This last one's less science and more common sense. Dessert plus a sugary soda or juice means you're stacking sugar on sugar, fast. Grab water or something unsweetened next to your dessert instead. Your taste buds still win, your sugar intake doesn't spike as hard. Look, the goal here isn't to fear food combinations or overthink every meal. It's just understanding how portions, nutrients, and your own digestion work together, so you can make smarter calls, not stressed out ones.